order of dates when the donations were received, I will be reading out the names. I request the honorable donors to kindly come to the dais, receive a small memento through the hands of Honorable Justice Shri Venkatachalaya, and make us feel that yes, we have also thanked the token.
Can you just tell all of them to be seated? They are going inside the building. Just 10 minutes now.
Please be seated. Very short time will be taken for further proceedings. It is a duty, it is a responsibility. Permit us to perform diligently. Srimati Sunanda Gopalakrishna Hegde donated 5. Past chairman of SIRC, rupees 1 lakh. CS Elite, the enthusiast, the trust has donated rupees 1 lakh. Reddy, past chairman of Bengaluru chapter, rupees 1 lakh 1,100, rupees 1 lakh. Messrs. TD Power System, Mr. Srivatsa, they have donated rupees 2 lakhs. Vaishnavi Associates Bangalore Private Limited, they have donated rupees 2 lakh 90,000. Alpha Design Technologies Private Limited, the company has donated rupees 2,65,000, represented by CS Gurumurthy Hegde. Itasi Timpani Schools, they are donated rupees 1 lakh. May I request Manjunath Reddy to receive the donation acknowledgement from Honorable Justice. Messrs. Mindtree Limited, they have donated rupees 6,75,000 rupees. CS Mr. Rajesh Narang. Okay. CS Raghunath Bhatt, Registrar of Companies, Bangalore, he has donated rupees 1 lakh.
Assistant Registrar.
Shri Kumaraswamy Mineral Exports Private Limited, they have donated rupees 2 lakh 50,000. Shri Chamundeshwari Sugars Limited, rupees 1 lakh. Shri Chamundeshwari Sugars Limited. San Engineering and Locomotive Company Limited, represented by CS Kishore Govinde, they have donated rupees 1 lakh. CS Ramesh Babu AN. He has donated rupees 1 lakh. Mr. Ramesh Babu AN. The kind of support, kindly be seated please. The kind of support that we have received from the agencies involved in the process of construction, it is my present duty to remember them and request them to collect memento. Mr. Prithvi Raj A.R., Principal Architect from the architect's firm Sublime Art and Architecture. The kind of support and guidance we have received right from the stage of conceptualization of the building design and execution of the whole project. The support continues. Thank you. Mr. Umesh has been taking care in totality. May I call upon Mr. Umesh to kindly come forward and receive the memento. Thank you very much. Electrical contractor Mr. Rajshekhar, it has been a great support, and his team member Mr. Shiva Prakash. Mr. Radha Krishna, I don't know whether he is present or not, he has been helping us in various ways, getting necessary licenses, Southern India region, who is from Hyderabad. He has been associated with the project in various ways. Unforeseen circumstances, he is not able to be present here with us today. But as a council member, as a member of Infrastructure Committee of Bangalore chapter, and as well-wisher of the profession, the kind of support he extended, he continues to extend, is amazing. Sir, we thank you very much. Council of ICSI, Mr. President has mentioned already, at all points of time, all the council members supported the proposal, provided the resources, extended the guidance, and cooperated in all possible ways. Our thanks are due to all the council members of our institute. Thank you. Thank you. ICSI acknowledgement that we have received from all of you from the headquarters. Mr. Pradhan, Mr. Sutanu Sinha, Mr. M.S. Sahu, and their whole team in headquarters, it has been a great support at all points of time. Thank you very much. Southern India Regional Council, I acknowledge the presence of past chairman Mr. S.S. Marti from Hyderabad, Secretary Mr. Ramasubramanian from Chennai, Treasurer Mr. A.V. Rao from Hyderabad, and other members who are not present here. Off the shelf, all points of time, our thanks are due to you. SIRO Executive Staff, led by Madam Sara Arokya Swami, the kind of guidance and support extended, we can never forget it. Our thanks are due to that team in SIRO. I must congratulate the members in Bangalore particularly and students community here. All the past chairmen and committee members, it is your effort, it is your contribution, the selfless service that you provided in the past that has enabled us to think big, dream big, and act big. For all those selfless service rendered in the past, we salute you, we salute you. For the ability to execute the project, for the ability to solve the problems, for the tenacity of commitment with which you could be there always together as a team. Team Bangalore. If somebody asks me which team in Bangalore chapter was the best, I will say it is the present team. I will read out the names and request them to come on to the dais and receive the applause from members and students. Madam Sharada, Chairman. Mr. Dattatri, Vice Chairman, please come on to the dais. Mr. Hari Babu, Secretary. Mr. Srinivas, Past Chairman. Mr. Manjunath Reddy, Immediate Past Chairman. And Mr. Dwarakanath, Past Chairman, SIRC. Chapter team, Mr. Puttaraju, Mr. Venugopal, please come on to the dais. Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Nagaraj, Mr. Maitreya, Mr. Sheshu. The kind of emotional attachment they have demonstrated for Miss Noor, she is not present here now. Oh, Noor has come. Please come on to the dais. It has been emotional attachment for the project, sentimental support at all points of time, volunteering to come forward and asking, sir, what next? What do we do? What next? Congratulations. Thank you very much. Finally, Karachana Kritam va Kayajam Karmajam va. Through words, through works, Shravana Nayajam va, Shravana Nayanajam va, discharging the responsibility in the best interest of the project. If any of these actions, if any of these reactions hurt somebody in the process, not intentional, sarvaparadham kshamasva, please excuse.
Sir, thank you very much for doing the honors. I now request the Chief Executive of ICSI, C.S. Sitani Sinha, to propose a vote of thanks.
Honorable Justice N. Venkatachalaya, our respected President Mr. R. Shidharan, Vice President Mr. Bikash Khare, Mr. Hegde, the hero of the day, Mr. M. Shahul Secretary, Dr. Baiju Ramakrishnan, Chairman SIRC, S.C. Sharda, Chairman Bangalore Chapter, respected Council Member Mr. Arun Balakrishnan present here, our past President Dr. Prahlad Rao. My job is easy now, Mr. Hegde has conveyed vote of thanks to... just a minute.
Sorry for the interruption. It is against maybe the order. but still a sincere duty to carry a token of participation in this program and witnessing here. May I request Chairman Madam Sharda to present memento to President Mr. C.S. Sridharan. CSI, I am requesting Mr. Sridharan to accept it. Members all over the country. And it is a token of remembrance. Mr. Sahu also to kindly accept it from Madam Sharda. Dr. Baiju Ramachandran, Chairman SIRC, on behalf of all the members at this memento. And finally, our friend and guide, a source of support at all points of time. Sir, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Distinguished professional friend and ladies and gentlemen, I will not take much time. Where to start and where to end, I don't know. But one thing I know, that Rome was not built in a day. Building is standing in front of us. Interestingly, building is not built out of bricks. Building is built out of minds. Great minds together decided that this building would be there in the council room of ICSI 2-3 years back, and today we have a beautiful building. And what Honorable Justice of and Honorable Chief Guest said, that it should be properly used. Sir, we really remember your words that it is only 50 hours or 60 hours we utilize a building, but we should utilize properly. And we also dream that like a campus, this building would be used 7 into 24 hours all the days of the year. Justice Sir, you told beautifully one thing, that you coined us as statutory whistleblowers. A big responsibility you have, sir, cast on us. I am sure that our professionals would ensure to bear this responsibility. Today the profession is getting changed, and friends, that we should remember what our respected justice have told today, so that we can prosper, not only in terms of building, in building the profession, in building the institute both. I, on behalf of the Council and the Institute, express my gratitude to our respected Justice, and I request Mr. Dattatreya Joshi ji, past Chairman of SIRC, to come forward and to hand over a memento to our Justice. Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks, express our president. He was driving all the project, and he is driving all the projects like anything. And really, under your leadership, we are one after another, we are achieving infrastructure project, and we are sure that not only in infrastructure, we will be building capacity in terms of knowledge, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of electronic capacity building also. Thank you, sir, for expressing your mind here. Ladies and gentlemen, we have this gentleman here. From the morning you were hearing him. It's always, it's his dream probably, we say, because he proposed this thing before the council, and now it is a reality. Let us give a big hand to Mr. Hegde, our council member from Bangalore. Thank you, Mr. Hegde. Thanks a lot. You showed your leadership to build a building out of mind. Thank you, sir. I express my thanks to our Vice President, Mr. Vikash Khare, for being here. Our Secretary, Mr. M.S. Aoud, being here. Thank you, sir. I express thanks to Mr. Dr. Baiju Ramachandran for extending all the supports to this chapter project, and also the past chairman who contributed a lot for this project. I express thanks to our chapter chairman, chairperson, S.C. Sardar. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Thanks to all of you, and I think something is wrong, but thanks to all of you, the members and students from Bangalore, as well as our distinguished guests present here, and especially the donors for this building project. Thanks all. I request all of you to rise for national anthem.